You have been told that barndominiums are cheap to build. Maybe you saw a video promising you a 500 square foot home for under $100,000, and now you are here trying to figure out if that is actually true. I am going to be straight with you today, because you deserve honest numbers, not clickbait math. In 2026, building a 500 square foot minimalist barndominium in the United States will cost you real money. And in this video, I'm going to break down every single cost category, line by line, so by the time you finish watching, you will know exactly what to budget for, where you can save, and where cutting corners will hurt you. This is the video I wish existed when I first started looking into barndominium builds. Before we dive in, if this kind of honest, detailed content is what you are looking for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. We cover real home design and construction costs every single week on this channel. Now let us get into the numbers. What is a minimalist barndominium, and why does it matter for cost? A minimalist barndominium is a steel-framed barn-style structure designed with intentional simplicity. That means clean lines, open floor plans, limited interior walls, polished or painted concrete floors, functional cabinetry without ornate detail, and a deliberate reduction of finished complexity. The reason the minimalist approach matters for cost is significant. When you strip out the luxury upgrades, the decorative trims, the tile showers, the custom cabinetry, and the high-end countertops, you land in a much more manageable budget range. But here is the truth that a lot of people gloss over. Even a stripped-down minimalist build has non-negotiable costs. The foundation still needs to be poured. The mechanical systems still need to be installed correctly. The steel still has a market price. Minimalist is not free. It just means you are spending your money on structure and function rather than decoration. The land. Your first real cost that most videos ignore, land, is almost always left out of barndominium cost estimates online, and that is a huge mistake for anyone actually planning a build. Land prices in the United States in 2026 vary enormously by state, county, and proximity to utilities. Rural land in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, or Tennessee might cost you between $20,000 and $80,000 for 1 to 5 acres, which is a realistic building plot size. In contrast, rural land in California, the Pacific Northwest, or parts of the Northeast can run $200,000 or more for a comparable plot. For this breakdown, we are going to assume you are building in a mid-cost rural market, and that land is a separate expense you have already accounted for. What we are focused on today is the build cost on top of the land, site preparation and permits, the costs that start before a single nail is driven. Before construction begins, your land needs to be ready. Site preparation includes land clearing, grading, leveling, and setting up access. Land clearing alone runs between $1,200 and $3,700, depending on how dense the vegetation is and how much tree removal is involved. If you need a driveway, a gravel driveway costs $1 to $3 per square foot, while asphalt runs $3 to $7 per square foot. A land survey, which most lenders in many counties will require, costs between $100 and $3,000, depending on your location and acreage. Then there are permits. A building permit for a new barndominium in 2026 typically costs between $500 and $2,000. Additional permits for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC work range from $50 to $300 each. Total site prep and permitting for a 500 square foot minimalist barndominium will realistically land between $5,000 and $15,000. Do not skip this step, and do not try to build without permits. Unpermitted construction can collapse your financing, kill your resale value, and create serious legal problems. Foundation. The concrete slab beneath everything. The vast majority of barndominiums are built on a concrete slab foundation, and for a minimalist build, the slab is non-negotiable. A concrete slab for a 500 square foot barndominium costs between $6 and $14 per square foot, which puts the foundations alone at $15,000 to $35,000. That range includes excavation, a compacted gravel base, a vapor barrier, rebar reinforcement, and the pour itself. If your plumbing rough-in is embedded in the slab, add another $3,000 to $6,000 on top of that. If your lot has sloped terrain or unstable soil that requires a pier and beam, foundation instead of a slab, expect to pay 20 to 30% more than the slab price. For a clean, flat lot with good soil, a concrete slab is your most cost-effective foundation option, and the one most experienced barndominium builders will recommend. The steel shell or kit. Where the barndominium identity lives, the steel kit or shell is what gives a barndominium its identity. and it is typically the first major purchase you will make after your foundation is in. A Barndominium kit includes the steel frame, exterior walls, roof trusses, metal siding, roofing panels, and trim. It does not include the foundation, interior work, utilities, or finishing. In 2026, kit materials cost between $20 and $35 per square foot. Assembly labor adds another $10 to $15 per square foot on top of that. So for a 2,500 square foot build, the kit fully assembled on your slab will run between $75,000 and $125,000. That is a wide range, and it reflects real differences in steel gauge, insulation panel quality, door and window packages, and whether your kit comes from a budget supplier or a reputable engineering certified company. Do not let the low end of that range seduce you into cutting quality on the shell. The shell is what protects everything inside from wind, rain, and temperature extremes. A poorly engineered kit can have moisture infiltration issues, poor energy performance, and structural concerns that cost far more to fix later than the savings you captured up front. Mechanical systems, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. This is the section where a lot of first-time builders get sticker shock. Mechanical systems are where the build cost jumps significantly beyond what the kit price suggests, and they are absolutely not optional. Plumbing for a 2,500 square foot home with 2 to 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, laundry connections, and outdoor hookups will run between $8,000 and $15,000 for a standard layout. If you are on a rural lot without municipal water and sewer, add a well system that costs between $5,000 and $15,000 and a septic system that runs between $3,000 and $7,000 for a basic install. Rural builds can easily add $15,000 to $22,000 in water and waste infrastructure alone. Electrical wiring for a 500 square foot Barndominium costs between $8,000 and $20,000 installed, depending on panel size, the number of circuits, lighting layouts, and whether you're installing EV charging or a generator hookup. An open concept minimalist design actually works in your favor here, because fewer interior walls mean shorter wire runs. VAC is where people often underestimate costs on large open concept builds. Because Barndominiums have high ceilings and open floor plans, traditional HVAC sizing methods do not apply directly. For a 2,500 square foot minimalist Barndominium in 2026, expect to pay between $7,000 and $20,000 for a new HVAC system with ductwork. Mini-split systems are increasingly popular for Barndominium builds because they offer zoned control without extensive ductwork and run between $6,000 and $14,000 installed for a whole home setup. Combined mechanical systems for a 500 square foot minimalist Barndominium in a mid-range market. Budget between $25,000 and $50,000 for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC together on a municipal utility connection. Add the rural infrastructure costs on top if you are off-grid from city water and sewer. Interior finishing. Where minimalist earns its value, this is where the minimalist approach saves you the most money compared to a fully customized build. A minimalist interior finish focuses on clean painted drywall, polished or sealed concrete floors, open shelving or stock cabinets, simple lighting fixtures, and functional bathrooms with standard fixtures. There is no wasted spend on decorative millwork, tile feature walls, or custom built-ins. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. Insulation, which is critical in a metal building, runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area, depending on whether you use spray foam or batt insulation. Spray foam is the superior choice for a metal Barndominium because it seals the thermal envelope far more effectively and prevents the condensation issues that haunt under-insulated metal buildings. Interior painting runs $1 to $6 per square foot. Flooring in a minimalist Barndominium is often polished or stained concrete, which costs $3 to $12 per square foot, depending on the finish level, and any decorative aggregate treatment. If you prefer LVP or vinyl plank flooring, that runs $4 to $8 per square foot installed. Cabinetry for a minimalist kitchen using stock or semi-custom boxes runs $3,000 to $8,000. Standard bathroom packages, including vanities, toilets, and showers, run $1,500 to $3,000 per bathroom. For a 500 square foot minimalist interior build-out, realistic finishing costs run between $45,000 and $90,000, depending on your material selections and how much labor you are doing yourself. Total cost breakdown for a 2,500 square foot minimalist Barndominium in 2026. Let us put the full picture together now. Here is what a realistic all-in budget looks like. Site prep and permits will run between $5,000 and $15,000. The concrete slab foundation comes in at $15,000 to $35,000. The steel kit fully assembled on site costs $75,000 to $125,000. Mechanical systems including plumbing, electrical, and HVAC on a municipal connection range from $25,000 to $50,000. Interior finishing at the minimalist level runs $45,000 to $90,000. Floor plans, if you are purchasing stock plans, will cost $1,300 to $2,000, or up to $6,000 for a custom design. That gives you a total all-in build cost of approximately $166,000 to $316,000 for a 500 square foot minimalist barndominium in 2026, not including land. On a per square foot basis, that works out to roughly $66 to $126 per square foot, and that is the honest range. Anyone quoting you under $60 per square foot all in is either excluding significant cost categories, assuming you are doing nearly all the labor yourself, or building in a very low-cost rural market with access to cheap materials. Owner-builder versus contractor. Where the real cost gap lives, the single biggest variable in your total build cost is whether you act as your own general contractor or hire a full-service builder. Owner builders who manage subcontractors themselves and perform significant finish work on their own typically land at $95 to $130 per square foot all in. That means a 500 square foot minimalist barndominium built builder costs roughly $237,000 to $325,000. Hiring a full-service contractor to handle the complete build with mid-grade finishes runs $120 to $175 per square foot in 2026, putting the total at $300,000 to $437,000 for the same footprint. The contractor route costs significantly more, but it removes the project management burden, typically produces a faster timeline, and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. How to legitimately reduce your barndominium build cost. There are real ways to reduce your cost without compromising the structural and mechanical integrity of the build. Buying a kit over a fully custom stick-built shell saves 15 to 30% on the structural phase. Choosing a simpler rectangular footprint over an L-shaped or complex roofline saves on both materials and labor. Acting as your own general contractor and directly hiring licensed subcontractors removes the general contractor markup, which typically runs 10 to 20% of total project cost. Doing your own painting, flooring installation, and landscaping after the licensed trades are done saves thousands more. Choosing polished concrete floors over installed flooring eliminates its material and labor cost entirely, while creating one of the most durable and aesthetically consistent floors in any minimalist home. Finally, getting 3 to 4 competing bids from licensed subcontractors for each trade phase is one of the most reliable ways to protect your budget without sacrificing quality. What minimalist barndominium design actually costs in summary, so here is where we land. A 500 square foot minimalist barndominium in the United States in 2026 is a real investment. If you are an owner-builder managing the project closely, doing your own finishing work, and building in a moderate-cost rural market, you are looking at a realistic all-in build cost between $166,000 and $250,000. If you are hiring a full-service contractor to deliver a turnkey minimalist build, budget between $280,000 and $350,000 for comparable results. The myth that barndominiums are inherently cheap is exactly that, a myth. What they genuinely offer compared to stick-built homes of the same size is a faster build timeline, a more durable exterior structure, an open floor plan that gives you maximum design flexibility, and the potential for real cost savings when you approach the build with discipline and good information. The minimalist design philosophy amplifies all of those advantages because you are not spending money masking a beautiful structure behind excess decoration. If you found this breakdown useful, do me a favor and share this video with someone else who is planning a barndominium build. They deserve honest numbers too. And if you want to see more videos like this covering house plans, construction costs, and home design strategies that actually respect your budget, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. I appreciate you watching all the way through. Building a home is one of the biggest decisions of your life, and you deserve content that treats it that way. I will see you in the next one. Builder.